Ayan. Bihisan niya to. Ayan, bibihis. Ayan, binihisan niya. What happened? Ayan. Yeah, she's gonna play out. Ayan. May palda palang ganyan, oh. Oh, ganun pala yun. Marami ka ba dinidelete, Maricar? Ayan, ganyan pala siya. Cute naman. So, pili ka ng damit. No, cute. This is nice, Jelana. Oh. May mumu dyan. No? This is nice. Is your baby now? Okay, is she a flower dress?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Manood na lang, no? Ayan. Silip lang naman ang kailangan natin, eh. Silip lang. Kaloka. Oo nga. Mag-comment talaga.
We were there. You lose this.
Okay. Where you going again?
Daddy.
Are you gonna play now?
Let me see that.
Okay.
Today.
Ayan siya. Naka 42K na tayo na view. Silip-silip lang pag may time. No? Saan na ba? Marami ba, Maricar? Kaloka. Oh, delete mo na yung mga yan. Lalo na yung mga solo ko, delete mo. This me, Marimar. Message mo ako pag na-delete mo na. Ayan pala yan. Oh, yeah, cute. See, nice dress. Ayan. Pwedeng ganyan. Pwede na palang ganyang laruan lang, eh, no? Pwede. Or, maganda. Babalik pa daw siya. Or, maganda rin to. Oh, you got a book?
In my new book.
Oh, you got a new book?
Yeah. This one.
Oh, wow. Let me see your new book.
This one.
Oh, the last speech. Oh, nice. Good job.
This one.
Oh, mice. That's mice.
This one.
Yay. I build you a bookcase. Nice.
This one.
That's a lot of books. The Underhills. Tooth Fairy. Good job.
This one.
I wanted a baby brother. Oh, wow.
Is that my new book?
Nice.
Mommy, you want to do more with this?
You want to play now in the garage?
Want to pay this?
Yeah.
You pay. You pay.
I play?
Yeah.
I thought it's yours playing.
You pay too.
Okay. But we have only one person though. Do you have other one?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Oo, grabe. Delete all. Yeah, unahin mo muna yung mga...
I have Potter.
Oo, dami.
Remo!
Oh.
Remo.
So, dress this one? You wanna go outside now? Let's fix this first if you wanna go outside, Grandma.
It's raining.
Come on. No, let's go in the garage. Yeah, I'm here. Are you done now, Jelana?
Wait, Mommy. I have to pay.
Okay, over there. It's so tight here.
Seven moon. Moon. Oh, no, Mom. I don't pay that.
Okay, here.
Here?
Okay, yeah. Where's my dress? Oh.